Sakumba shita yauduna shwa bakajelakan yo yaki election Shaka Lieng dorbar tauan ketemat election kala penbiang yaki lat jing penkre bakerpang hakitu ki Jaka ki bamlat kali. U koresponden ka Didi India u Vishal Baristo ula Shong daka Lieng Shaka Shnong Kamsing ka bahajan Khaput Bangladesh ban wanlam shapi yakani ka Khubor bakerpang.
Ka Kamsing polling station kedega Jaka Thep vote ka Jngai tam ka badan sha kendong na ki weipat ki Jaka sa priau naba ki patba ki hap ban Shong da ka Lieng ban poi sha ka ni ka Shnong ha ka ju kapor kadai ru ka Shnong bam padan boarding bala kershan ya ka da ki solar light kalinti ban poi sha ka ni ka Shnong ka longtang da ki Lieng red balashna hi.
Now our journey on the Mid-2 River has started. It's a 1 hour long journey and I have with me SDO Jacqueline. Let's talk to her and find out. Jacqueline, it's quite difficult journey and only for 35 voters you have to go there. Why?
It's because there are women and infirm voters who may find it difficult to travel by boat to reach another polling station like Karkhana village. So therefore, because of keeping in mind that now every election should be accessible elections, so therefore Kamsing is also given a polling station.
But this is a very difficult terrain and if it rains then what happens? So how early you have to reach there?
We have to be there 2 days before the poll day. So then we also give polling parties the safety gears so that they'll be ready, and the raincoats, the umbrellas, all of that are given to the poll parties so that they can move easily to the polling station.
So we have the life jacket here, and do you also do the divers also accompany you?
Yes, sure. The divers, we keep them. We identify many divers, like around 5 to 6 divers, so that they accompany the team. So that if there is anything, any risks involved, then the divers will be able to help them. But once they wear this vest, so therefore I think they will be more safe.
So there you heard from Jacqueline. Jacqueline is also accompanying us. Let's go to the village and talk to the voters. How excited are they? Is it for the first time are you voting?
No, it's third time.
Third time. So what all issues are there in your mind that when you go to vote?
Yeah, the first thing that I want as we seen that there is so hard to walk and to go there and here also. So I want to develop my village and even the road also, the electricity. So that's why.
Well, all the village also want the development. Road, we want road, electricity.
There are 35 voters here and 23 houses. With cameraman Senthil and Saurabh in Kamsing village, this is Vishal Baristo for DD India.
Mentapat ngin yapet ya kejinglong jingman kesun meneng hash.